How to fix Snapchat c14a error on your Snapchat. In this video we talk about how to fix this on your Snapchat. Just watch this video till the end. So first you need to go to your settings. On your settings of your device, open apps option. Here on apps option you found all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search for Snapchat, open Snapchat and go to storage option. Now go to the last button in the bottom of the screen, clear data and click OK. And then you have to back, click on force stop and click also OK. And what you should do right now, guys, you have to go to remove permission if app is unused. You have to disallow it like I'm doing, and then you have to go and restart your phone. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in other videos.